Welcome to Elite Auto Sales. And here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with power side mirror adjustments, steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, leatherette upholstery, hill holder control, front air conditioning automatic climate control, leather trimmed steering wheel, in-dash rear view monitor, in-dash CD MP3 playback, steering wheel mounted phone controls, USB auxiliary audio input, and has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1998, family-owned Elite Auto Sales has made customer service our top priority. We care about our customers, and we want to make sure you drive home in a car or truck that is just right for you. Plus, we don't want you to have to worry about haggling with a salesperson, because here at Elite Auto Sales, you will be working directly with the owner. Let us prove to you why so many people trust Elite Auto Sales when it comes to buying their next vehicle.